how to create a YouTube channel, and my secret to 1.9 million views in 28 days. You see, most YouTubers do not have a proper systems to start and grow their YouTube channel. They just think if they upload a good video, people will watch their video automatically and YouTube will promote their videos. That has not been my case, and for many YouTubers, that is not happening. However, it doesn't mean that new YouTubers do not have a chance to go big in a short period of time. In fact, just look at this channel, that How Do I channel. This channel started on April 2020, and on June 2020, which is just over 2 months period, this channel has 2.2 million subscribers and 7.5 million YouTube views. I started this channel on May 2019, and I grew this channel from 0 to 10 million YouTube views and 54,500 subscribers in just 7+ months. In fact, in the last 28 days, my channel, Lucu TV, recorded 1.9 million YouTube views and 6.7 million minutes of watch time, with 11,200 new subscribers. Based on my study of other successful channels and my own trial and error on Lucu TV channel, I found out that in order to create a successful YouTube channel, you must have 4 main pillars in our YouTube channel. Let's dive into the 4 main pillars right now. How to create a successful YouTube channel. Pillar number 1. Make an appointment with yourself to grow your channel. In order to grow your YouTube channel, we need to create videos, create thumbnails, optimize video for SEO, for the title, description, text, and many other things to do. You need time to do all such things. Many YouTubers do not have a fixed schedule to work on their channel. If you treat your YouTube channel just like a job or a business versus it as a hobby, where you have a fixed working hours to learn about how to create YouTube channel, to learn how to grow your subscribers and YouTube views, you have time to create videos and you have time to apply the new knowledge, you have a better chance to succeed and create a successful YouTube channels. I'm confident you will, because you are taking time to watch this video, which is some sort of a learning. Do remember to apply what you discover in this training, and also make an appointment with yourself and give yourself a fixed schedule to do whatever it takes to start and grow your YouTube channel. By the way, if you are new to my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new tips about how to start, grow and monetize your channel is available. Pillar number 2 of how to create a YouTube channel. Successful YouTubers perform research before they ever create a video. Why? Every YouTuber has so many video ideas. So which topics should you choose and spend time of creating a video? If you are randomly guessing which video you want to create, then probably you might be guessing wrongly, and your video will get little views, and you will be wondering, why my video gets so little views? So what kind of research should we be doing? I guess you wish that your video will get millions or at least hundreds of thousands of YouTube views. If there is only 10 people searching for your video topic every month, I guess you have to wait for a very long time to reach the millions or at least hundred thousands of YouTube views. So the first thing that I do is conducting a topic and search volume research. I use neilpatel.com to get to know my potential YouTube views that I might be getting when I want to create a video. For example, I'm creating a video lucu, which means funny video in Indonesian language. From the result, I know that 450,000 people are searching for this video every month. With this result, I know that this is a good video topic to create a video about. So for now, I will keep this keyword and I will look for other keywords ideas from this website. Later on, I will share with you how to use this keyword in another video in this video series later. For now, you just need to know that this topic has a good search volume and keep it first. Comment below if you have any questions and let me know what are the challenges that you are facing in creating your YouTube channel. I'll personally reply to you as soon as possible. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more tips to grow your channel. So now, you know the video topic has a good search volume and you have a variety of keywords that you can use. In pillar number 3, the successful YouTubers will give the audience what they want. Basically, the YouTube users is going to YouTube for two main reasons. Number one, they are searching for answers to solve their problems. For example, they might search for how to repair my leaking pipe or repair my leaking pipe fast. YouTube will show them video related to their search. If there is a lot of people searching for this kind of video, then the video might get thousands or even millions of YouTube views. The second reason people are on YouTube is because they are searching for entertainment, motivation and inspiration. Just like my Video Lucu TV channel, there are 450,000 people searching for Video Lucu every month. They are looking for entertainment. So I'll give them funny videos. I research what existing video have high YouTube view and I model what they did for my video. I give my audience searching for funny video a funny video. Exactly what they are searching for. I give them what they want with my unique angle and tweak. If you are getting value from this video, remember to give this video a big like or a thumbs up. So now the tricky part is, you know your video topics have a high search volume and you have also created videos you think that your audience wants. But are you getting the expected views that you want? This is what we are going to cover in pillar number 4. So in pillar number 4 of how to create a YouTube channel, we need to also give what YouTube wants because we are using YouTube platform to reach our viewer. Besides serving our audience, we also need to serve YouTube. What does YouTube want? Basically, YouTube tells us to the face what they want. Look at this YouTube metrics funnel, which is available in your YouTube studio. It tells us the impression YouTube gives to our videos. It shows us the click-through rate or CTR in short. So in my channel, it's a 8.6% CTR, which generated 2.1 million YouTube views, and each views give me an average of 3 minutes 36 second watch time, which is equivalent to 126,900 hours in the last 361 days for one of my top videos. So now you know what YouTube wants. YouTube wants high CTR, a long average view duration. CTR is affected by our thumbnail and title, while average view duration is affected by our quality of our video. Make sure that you have a good thumbnail and a quality videos to rank your video on page 1 of YouTube and Google. YouTube reacts very fast when they are not getting good CTR and average view duration from your video. They will reduce or even stop promoting your videos to the YouTube users if, let's say, your videos is not getting a good CTR or average view durations. Okay, let's recap the 4 pillars of a successful YouTube channel. With these 4 pillars, it has helped my Video Lucu TV channel get 1.9 million YouTube views and 11,200 new subscribers all on autopilot without me doing anything. So pillar number 1, make appointment with yourself. Remember, you have a lot of works need to be done. Without new videos, you will not get any views. Comment below, let me know what is your YouTube working hours. Pillar number 2, perform research, especially on topic and volume research. Make sure that there is a high search volume so that your videos might get high views potential. The chances of getting more views when you show your video to a town full of people is definitely higher than when you show your video to a small village. Pillar number 3, give viewers what they want. If they want a fish burger, try not to give them chicken burger. Just give them fish burger with varieties. Pillar number 4, give YouTube what YouTube wants. YouTube wants high click-through rate. So make sure your thumbnail is attractive and catch people's attention. YouTube also wants high average view retention. So make sure you produce a good quality videos. Those are the 4 major pillars on how to create a successful YouTube channel. This is the formula that I use. It has helped my channel to get 1.9 million YouTube views in 28 days. Now, watch the next video in this How to Create a YouTube Channel series, where I will share with you the detailed steps of each pillar, including how to use the keywords that you have gathered in pillar number 2.